to add to list on Amazon. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Amazon.com and log into your account. Go to the product you want to add to list. After you're in the product, on the right side, you will find Add to List option. Click on Add to List option. It will expand. You'll find your previous list. If you want to create a new, click on Create and then add name and press on Create. After you create it, it will be added to your list. You can also click on View List in here and then you will be able to view all your lists. You can scroll through it. You can also find your friends list if they have enabled it. This is how to find or add to list on Amazon. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.